Hi, my name is Belal Khan and I am an Android developer and a Google developers expert for Android. If you come from an IT background, then building mobile applications is one of the skills that has an ocean of opportunities out there in the market. I am saying this from my own personal experience. Just after finishing my college, I started working as an Android developer. And after some time, I went to South Korea and worked there as a lead Android developer. Right now, I am a Google developers expert and working here in Bangalore, India as an Android developer. So here I want to ask you, do you want to solve real world problems and craft a mobile application out of it? Or you want to learn building interesting apps and games for mobile or Android operating system? If your answer is yes, then I am with Karkhana starting an Android development course for beginners. So if you want to learn how to build apps and games and other mobile things, then this course is perfect for you to get started. You can get all the details and syllabus and fees about this course in the description below. So if you are interested, check that out and please join the course. And I am very sure that we all together will have a lot of fun learning Android application development. So I wish to see you in the course. Join now.